Okay, going to get back to working on some chassis things. Work on the front trunk a little bit. I need to get a lot of this stuff done while the body's still on here so I can take the body off eventually and start working on the chassis, things like the door hinges and other places. I need to get some more sheet metal, but right now I'm just going to do some basic framing for trying to get the trunk shape figured out, and then we'll kind of go from there. Okay, this is the front trunk area, and this is the NARC chassis. And as you can see, I started making some paper templates for the side. I'm going to start working on the floor. This section down here, that tube is just a little too close to the front, so I'm going to have to probably put in a little spacer to move it out this way slightly. And if you look at the sides over here, down here, this bar here, I'm going to need to cut out, and then I'm going to go ahead and extend these a little farther and then put that bar back in. That'll give me a little more trunk space. Most of the stuff I'm just using the Ramboard paper to actually make the templates, and then I get some more sheet metal and I'll be able to actually use that for my pattern to make this all fit. Okay, extending the front another 4.5 inches and using a piece of angle iron to make sure that it's straight. So do this side, then do the other side. I got the latch out of, I'm not sure what, but I had to fabricate basically a little holder that will go down and catch on that. And then this is the release, which will have a cable that goes to it that pulls it back and releases it. And I put a bar across there. And I just need to fabricate some things down here to close this in with the sheet metal. Okay, working on the front trunk area, and I've made some paper templates to use for all the different sides and the bottom. And this is a 16 gauge sheet metal that I'm cutting these out of, and then they'll go in. Some of them are left and right sides, so I'll need one template. I've already cut out some pieces and I'm clecoing them in. That's the trunk latch mechanism, and so I've got to do the front and the sides, and also in the back I'm working on templates down there. Okay, I have all the pieces cut out. Some of them just clecoed in on the sides. I've welded those in. But the bottom is removable so that I can take that out. And I've got to do this section here. Figure that out. And then I've got the sides. I'll have to come up with something to fill in here. But at least it's got something in there. Okay, for the latch, I actually had to fabricate my own little catch pin, because as you can see, the one that was on the original document was welded in, so I had to make my own. So I Duraglassed it in, and then I welded some tabs so that it wouldn't be pushing too hard against the fiberglass itself. So now I'll go ahead and glass that in. Now for the pull cable, currently I've just got a little piece of wire in there to pull it, but this is a Dorman pull cable, and it has the correct end on it down here, which will go in there, and then on the other end, which will go inside the dash, it has this bracket that can be fastened down, and then there's a pull that will open it all up. So I'll be able to open the latch from inside the car. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I would appreciate it if you would, and be sure and turn on your post notifications. Thank you for watching.